Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm LP, and this week we are going to be getting some brake drums installed and some wiring done, and I want you guys to join along. So, as you saw in last week's video, I ordered the wrong parts and I had to figure out a solution. And I ended up calling eTrailer. They couldn't get me the right parts. I went on all sorts of other websites, couldn't find what I was looking for. I ended up going to my local O'Reilly's with the old drums and asked them to help me find some new bearings for them and if they could turn them, and they did. Repurposing from something from the 60s, very interesting. So I got them to repack the bearings for me in here, and then I've got a new little one here for the front side. But as you can see, these are a little rusty and old. So today we're going to go back at them with my best friend, the wire wheel, get all this rust off of them, treat them with the rust cutter, the must for rust, and then we'll hit them with some paint. And that shouldn't take us too long. And then, oh, I did say that. It shouldn't take us too long. Never say that. Never say that, because then it takes 6 hours. After we get those installed, we're going to run some new brake line from the front, from my new junction box that I also got from eTrailer. And they still have to figure out where that's gonna go, because I don't really know. So, as some of you might not know, I have been doing this entire project whilst also working 2 full-time jobs, and I have been doing this mainly on my 1 day off a week that I get. So today I decided to I ain't paying her. I asked my bestie Kendall and helped me get these painted and derusted and installed so that I can get this done quicker and get this YouTube video edited and uploaded by Wednesday for all of you. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Now I have to figure out how to get these cleaned with water without getting them wet in the bearings. Because if there's water in there, that's not good. Hopefully I can do this. Luminous and vibrant, I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom, always in bloom for you. So many times I've stranded, cast away on unknown shore, although a stranger in this continent, I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom, always in bloom for you. Next step, well, those sit and dry before we paint them. Got to figure out where I want to mount the new cables and breakaway box. So I have to have what's called the breakaway box in case it disconnects from my car. It's a little battery powered thing that charges as we drive down the road, but if it comes apart from my car, it sends a signal to the brakes to make them lock up, basically, so that my house doesn't go rolling away into Narnia. Okay, so I think that I want it right here on this side on the front. Let's see here. I think I want it right here. Thank you. That actually works so good. Oh, you get the right tool for the job. It's amazing what happens. Okay, let's do it again.
Round 2.
That looks trippy as Okay, and now the other drill. I go to the hardware store again.
So where do you think you're going to go first?
I
When you're ready.
You know, I don't know. It's gonna be the end of the summer this year, so
Well, I know you've said something about Alaska.
that'd be cool. But the end of summer would be a bad time to try. It'd be it'd be risky, honestly. It'd be risky trying to go to Alaska with winter approaching. Because if I end up stranded or end up taking longer in one spot than I anticipated, then I'm screwed.
How often are you going to come visit your family once you're gone? And your besties? What are we going to do without LP?
I haven't really worried or thought about that. I'll probably come visit a couple times a year. Holidays, I don't know. For now, we'll go with the second
I
layer.
got a little bit up here, but that's it.
I've got the correct pieces that I need, so this should go much quicker. Let's see. All the wiring junctions are in. So we've got the breakaway switch, the junction box, and the battery for the breakaway. Okay, the wind has decided it was going to pick up and be treacherous out here. I have been trying to get this on for a couple hours now and I cannot. So I need to get a grinder and grind it off. That'll be in next week's video. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you then. Bye.